Running EMT. Quick beginner's guide. When you run EMT, we're on the job site, so you'll hear that little banging. You see that straight run? That's exactly what you want. And this is not getting a measurement of anything. This is just a straight run. How would I achieve this straight run? I put the coupling on one end of the pipe, and when I put the other stick into the coupling, I make sure that the coupling is straight. You put it straight into the coupling, and the pipe should remain straight, and then you'll go a little distance away from it and hold it up. Look at it, you'll see the straight, and then that's when you strap it. So that's how you run pipe. I'm gonna put up this other stick and show you how it's done. It's my final stick. This is my destination. I'm going to put a box for this unit right up here, and I'm not too far, as you can see. Yeah, probably another stick. And this is running EMT. Here's my bandsaw, my box, my stick. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it and then show you the finished product. Okay, so here we go. See what I'm talking about when I say line up that coupling. But we've figured that this beam comes down a little bit, so we're gonna have to do a quick little offset to accommodate the difference in the height to go where I'm going. So we'll make a quick little offset, and that should complete what we're doing. I'll show you when the box is up what it looks like with my offset and everything. Now that's how it looks with my little offset right there. Came down. Alright, the box gets slapped on the end, and that should be finished. So this is your basic beginner's guide on how to run EMT. If you want to look like a pro in front of your foreman, watch this video over and over again until you get it. I'm gonna make some videos of how to make 90s and stuff like that.